Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Dwivedi here, and today this is the second day of my solo video creation challenge. Yesterday I talked about a little the challenge that what I want to do further, and today I want to talk about a topic. So I want to challenge myself. I want to become better while speaking in front of camera alone because I'm habitual of doing more and more conversations on multiple platforms. I would say Zoom, Google Meet, or Englishary, Clappingo, Inktalki. I tried multiple platforms where I did several conversations with people. But now I want to challenge myself and I want to create solo videos as well. So today is the second day of my challenge. And today I'm going to talk about my hometown. So, first of all, I want to tell you that I was born and raised in a small village of Kanpur Dehat, Uttar Pradesh. Okay. So, I was born in a small village and I used to go to school there and I studied there till fifth standard. And then I went to another school which was not in my village. I had to go to hostel for that. So I'll talk about my village. My village is beautiful and most of the farmers are living there who are dependent on farming. But these days, it's very difficult for them to survive only on agriculture. So some of them are working outside as well. They are moving out. They started living in city now. So as I am living in Kanpur city, so some other people or my neighbors, they are also living in Kanpur for private jobs and all those things. But my village is beautiful in terms of natural beauty, or if I talk about the peace, or if I talk about people's behavior, that it's different from city. But actually what I feel these days, most of the people are moving out, so you don't feel that energy which I used to feel when I was there in childhood, and people would enjoy, you would see boys, they were playing out. And maybe that is also one of the reasons that I am actually, I don't want to live in a village. I want to work on my career at this moment, but the kids still enjoy playing in a village. If I talk about education at this moment, we have we have primary government schools, but they are not good enough for students. So many students from my village, they go out to a town which is nearby my village, around 3 kilometers. They go there for studies. So my village is not the perfect place for education because many schools are not there at this moment. But yeah, but in my town, which is close to my village, around 3 kilometers, they have good schools like English medium schools and just all those schools. So the students go and study there. And now talking about the medical facilities as well, it is not a good village where we don't have a lot of medical stores also. We don't have many doctors. We have rarely, hardly one or two doctors there. So if you get any problem, if you get any emergency, or if you become seriously, I would say, sick, then you have to go to the town for the treatment, because in village it's difficult and medical stores are also not there. So most of the people are living there who are doing just agriculture, or their kids are studying in the town, that is also, and they don't have a lot of scope for the jobs as well. But it's beautiful in terms of like, if I talk about my thing, like whenever I go back to my village, I enjoy on my, I can say, rooftop garden, or on my terrace. My mother and my sister, they have planted a lot of plants. The actually, so they are green and it's beautiful. Because when you live in the city, you see most of the time people are going here and there on the street. You're able to see a lot of people. In village it's not like that. People are there, but most of them are familiar, just to your to whom you know, because they may be your family members, they may be your relatives, or I would say they may be your neighbors, or maybe the people who are living in the next neighborhood. That's how it works. So that's what I like about the village. It's a beautiful place if you want peace and if you want to live there for a few days. And if you're able to work from there, that's a great place to be. But the reason is that most of the people are moving out because they are not able to find out the employment. So they have to go to big cities for that. So that is the reason. Even though I'm living in a city, because I didn't find it convenient and comfortable for me to work, because I need a very peaceful environment to record my videos. But in a village, my village, people most of the events are happening on the loudspeakers. So when events are happening, it becomes difficult for you to record videos, and it becomes difficult for you to conduct sessions, which I do. But in city, I'm able to do that. But yeah, frequently I visit my hometown because my sister is living there, my parents are living there. So even though recently I was back from my hometown, so that is there. But they are beautiful place. If you want to enjoy the natural beauty, if you want a peaceful environment, for sure go out early in the morning. There are fields, paddy fields or the wheat fields, or all these crops are there, so you can sit there and you can enjoy, you can feel grounded. That is the positive thing about it. But I wouldn't say I would say that my village is not a very good place for the education or not for medical treatment. They have the basic necessities. I mean to say, they have a lot of general stores where you can buy grocery, even though they don't have any vegetable market in village. You have to go out, you have to go to the town to just get vegetables. But hawkers are there, or the vegetable sellers are there, who come every single day in the morning, afternoon, and in evenings. So you can buy directly from there as well. So that's what I can say. But I lived in my hometown or in my village in COVID 19, but I came out in 2022. And since 2022, I'm living in Kanpur city. So sometimes I go back to my hometown and I stay there if there is any work. But otherwise, I'm living here in Kanpur working on myself. So that's it for today. And actually, I tried my level best, but I know that I was not that confident that I can be. So that's why I'm doing this challenge, because I want to become better while speaking alone, while speaking on these simple topics. So please support me. Please write positive comments so I can create more and more content, and I can become comfortable, confident while creating solo videos like this. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.